Hey, Big Bang. What's up? What's up? Your beauty, my beauty flower. Hey, love. LOVE. How are you? Give me 1 second. Good to see you. Um, no, I'm fine. I guess I can go ahead. What's up, Big Bang? What's up, baby? How you been? Good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome back. What you up to today or tonight? What are you doing, Big Bang? Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, love. And welcome back. Did you have to work today, Big Bang? Hello, welcome. Ladybug, welcome. Hey, lovely. LOVELY. Hey, sis. Hey. Big Bang says, I've been on stage and yeah. Oh, so you had to, do you dance as well or you just do like rapping? Hey, Ladybug, where are you from? Yeah, you rap? Okay. Do you dance too, Big Bang? Oh, guess what? I figured out yeah, you say you dance too, Big Bang. Uh I figured out how to do the guest box on my YT page. I mean my YT channel. So hold on just a second. Do you wanna come to my guest box and rap something to me? Wait, hold on, Big Bang. Sure? Okay, hold on.